Johannes.
Sure.
Oh, great, my brother.
Great to see you, ne?
Umoya mfethu. It's a World Cup. We're still gonna qualify.
Hey, it is what it is, yeah.
But ngicela ungitshele mfethu ngicela siqale ngale lineup. What did you think and what did you expect uma uyibona i-lineup ya first game against Mexico?
For me, I expected us to play 4-4-2.
Sure.
So I expected players abafana nabo Oswin Apolis,
Yeah.
Relebule Mofokeng to
Sure.
be in the starting lineup.
Sure.
Yes, I also wanted Reyners to start ahead of Lyle Foster because I felt with Lyle Foster having a confidence, especially his team Burnley being relegated. So I also expected not to play with 8 defensive players because if I wanted us to take the game to Mexico, but on the day the coach came with a different approach to say, why do you drop Relebule Mofokeng?
Sure.
Because of Relebule Mofokeng, as you know, when the season ends, especially leading to the effect that he's a contender for player of the season, footballer of the year, Oswin Apolis, contender for midfielder of the year. So silindele ukuthi mhlambe bazokwenza lukhulu ngoba badlala the South African style of football. As thina sonke sazi abantu beMzansi ukuthi we always a position based team and attacking team, but on the day coach uzele nge-defensive approach udefender isikolo 0-0 we need to attack and the best form of defense is to attack, but on the day Hugo Bruce uze ngamanye amaqhinga of which has never played like that before, like 8 players defensive players whereas nge-AFCON udlale nge-7, so he didn't learn from the previous match Cameroon. So for me even umbuzo omningi
to pull it straight, that actually proved that Hugo Bruce doesn't trust his squad. Akawathemba amaplayer wakhe because there's absolutely no way. I don't think it has ever been done before. A team ifike ku World Cup first game idlala with 5 defenders and 3 other central mids, and then Wally mid now which they should help out in defense. I mean, that was so embarrassing to watch, man. So I want to ask you this question. Game idlala nge-11 zaka June 2026. The day before, nge-10 zaka June, was the team prepared coming to a game in Mexico? Were they prepared mentally, physically? Was the technical team prepared? Was the team prepared? Was SAFA prepared?
So many question marks. If you check the very same coach Utain, we are going to play a game against Jamaica behind closed doors.
Sure.
That was for me that is lack of confidence, because what are you hiding? Some fans our fans are ready to support the team.
Sure.
The players as well are ready to showcase what they've been doing.
Yeah.
Because of Ucheka, Mamelodi Sundowns, the Orlando Pirates, Bonke, the triple champions are Pirates.
Sure.
Mamelodi Sundowns by winning CAF Champions League. Obviously, you expect a lot. The stake is high. Our players, as a bonus, they're not those champions by foot. But on the day, Hugo Bruce, who lack confidence, especially playing that game against Jamaica behind closed doors.
Sure.
And when the confusion, like when we woke up Sunday, the game ended a draw or Bafana won 1-0. So those were question marks to say the coach lacked confidence by playing the Jamaica game behind closed doors, of which in the past we have never seen something of that nature. Because I'm playing leading to the previous World Cups, we played with fans in numbers, so that farewell, all the fans are capable of saying goodbyes in a confident mood to go on such things.
Thank you for it. And then I also want to mention certain players, because if we come to this interview without naming a player. Looking at players like Abo Yaya Sithole and also Lyle Foster, players who actually didn't show up AFCON, they were given a chance to actually prove themselves, to actually show what they're actually playing in Europe, but what do you think of that, man? Because of it seems like Hugo Bruce believes a player that just plays in Europe, no matter what the performance he doesn't mind overlooking a player like PSL, no matter how good they are. But we and national team in Europe, it doesn't matter. What do you think, man?
For me, like, that's where favoritism comes into the picture, because of where some of the other players here at home, they were on form. You check a player of Lebraham Mabowe, one of those players I think should have gone. Even some of the analysts and commentators, but the player should replace Yaya Toure, because of they were also judging Yaya Toure based on Ikeme AFCON against Cameroon, because over the poor game, and you check a player game Mexico that analysts always babiza nkonje i-dog so denying an obvious goal scoring opportunity. For me, they could have done better. Experienced player of his caliber or overseas, but ball control is a problem. So for me, those are some of the questions. You spoke about Lyle Foster as well. Scoring 3 goals the entire season for Bendy. But now our players are doing well here too. I'm a striker. So we go keep snapping them. For him, I think it was a pressure from the media to say, but the player every season top goal scorer. So for me, it was just a poor decision.
It was really poor, man, because of he was contradicted even the coach because of when Chakafasa Mabasa was a top goal striker of the season. He was asked about him. Okay, what's the reason behind this inclusion? And he said he created is a little bit lazy, but that's the same thing he said about Lyle Foster. But he keeps calling him we are busy yet complaining but we are busy squatting. And the disadvantage even to Lyle Foster is that even worse goals. Whereas we all know he does have goals. I mean, things like his work rate. If when as a coach was complaining and work rate a player, you're not doing a job, man. Because of that's your job to actually coach a player. Okay, whenever we're out of position, this is where I want you to be. This is what I want you to do. So if go to the complain and no, a player so I'll mark whenever that's your role as a coach. You go to instill a onto layer. So it was for me it was self-contradicting, man. You know,
For me, not to add kuloko even if at some point like coach it's not in good terms in the coach's philosophy, but for me now we need that type of a striker. It's a player who plays a corner in the kitchen. Every crosses and cutbacks inside the box. We are great. He reminded me of Bradley Grobler. Although at some point Bradley Grobler age is catching up with him, but he's a good striker for me, a predator as well. So those are some of the questions we would take. But coach, we needed such a striker, especially aerial process. Imagine Perez locally, but Stellenbosch. I didn't hit him. He kept scoring even in a debut match. I still remember good game against Cook United. Akora then Apenda Akora against Ichiba United a breeze. That's where I felt that the player also deserved a corner.
Angela sithi ukusifaka kancane ecathulweni zaka coach, even though it's difficult, man. What was he trying to do with this lineup? What was he trying to do?
He was just afraid of Mexico for me. But like I've said it in Africa, we are a ball position style of play, attacking football. But on the day, he came up with some other ideas. Imagine Slindele or Urile players. Some of the scouts back home never begile. But first of all, players can become next season. Baba Tate. Also in Apolis, I want to so you deserve them to go and play abroad, but coach pension for what reason at least wangena and not Ngena Police as a sub. He made a difference, but although we didn't attack much on the day, we did just defensive, which was our main downfall. That's why we deserve to lose that game on the day. So Hugo Bruce, I think for me, back to the drawing board as one what was participating against the Czech Republic.
In closing, all I can say is he coaches like about Hugo Bros in modern game like it's time for them to actually step down. Finally, coach Marquez, I forgot his name. Freeze. Those are coaches who go to modern football. They were good in Katzabo probably, but Hugo Bros, what he was trying to do, he actually got his tactics wrong. I understand that probably he crowd as well. It's over on Mexico side, but he got the tactics wrong because of my exit points. Which was no Foster. Those were wrong options for me because of me. Now what I was going to do, I was going to use a player final backup. I was going to reuse Urile and also Apolis. What are into my player whenever it becomes an exit player, akaveli angene central, uyakwazi ukuthi ayesayidini avumela amaplayer afana nabo Relay, avumela amaplayer afana nabo Lyle Foster, aba police to actually come central. So if kuukuthi we are going to Mahopa or Relay and also Lyle Foster, those players they were going to interchange, when they were going to give Mexico a bit of a problem, So coach actually got it all wrong. And let's hope what's coming to the next game is actually going to fix it. But let's hope how much it does long I see more but no DNA, just RSA. Unite for Bafana. That's why long as much it about to Dango PSL Pulse. Salute.